Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change background color in BricsCAD, so let's get straight into it. Now, when you are in your project, go here to the left top corner where you see this logo of BricsCAD. Click on that, and then you will see down here the settings. So click on the settings. Now, you will see here bunch of options. So we will select here program options, click on that, and then go to the display like so. All right, now you will see down here background color. And on the right side, if you click on it, you will see some options. As you can see now, I'm changing the background color of this drawing right here. So if I want, I can do it white. I also can select color, so I have more options right here. And yeah, this is how you can change the background color in BricsCAD. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.